One of the biggest reasons many people feel like their hair isn't growing is because it keeps breaking before they get the chance to see the length. And one of the biggest causes of breakage is dryness. When your hair is dry, it becomes rough, weak, and more likely to break whenever you comb, detangle, or style it. But when your hair is properly moisturized, it becomes elastic, stronger, and less likely to break. And less breakage means better length retention. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways I use aloe vera to keep my hair moisturized: a DIY aloe vera spray and an aloe vera oil. Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you're welcome. And here is our star ingredient for today's video: aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with nutrients that help keep the hair and scalp healthy. It contains vitamin A, which helps support a healthy scalp, and a healthy scalp creates a good environment for healthy hair. It also contains vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen. Collagen helps support stronger hair strands, making them less likely to break. Aloe vera also contains vitamin E, which helps protect the hair from everyday damage. It also contains amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Since our hair is made mostly of protein, these amino acids help support stronger hair. Aloe vera also contains minerals that help keep both our hair and scalp healthy. And one of the best things about aloe vera is that it's naturally rich in water and contains compound that helps attract and hold moisture, leaving the hair feeling soft, hydrated, and easier to manage. That's why aloe vera has been a favorite in many natural hair routines for years. At this point, I'm trimming off the sharp edges of the aloe vera. After that, I'm carefully removing the green outer skin. I want to get the clear gel inside because that's what we use to make our aloe vera spray. And this is where you really have to be careful because the gel can be quite slippery. And look at how fresh and juicy this aloe vera is. This is exactly what we need for our spray. But wait, we're not throwing those peels away. We're actually going to be using them for the second part of this video. After that, we'll move on to blending our aloe vera gel for the spray. Now I'm adding the aloe vera gel into my blender. Once everything is blended until smooth, it's ready for the next step. Next, I'm straining the blended aloe vera using a clean cloth. This helps remove any small pieces of pulp so the spray comes out smooth and won't clog the bottle. Once that is done, I poured it into my spray bottle, and just like that, our DIY aloe vera hairspray is ready. Now let's move on to the second DIY. Remember the aloe vera peel we saved earlier? This is where we'll be using it. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using olive oil as my carrier oil. Olive oil helps nourish the hair, soften the hair, and seal in moisture. But you don't have to use olive oil if you don't have. You can use any carrier oil you already have, like coconut oil, avocado oil, rapeseed oil, or sweet almond oil. Just make use of the oil you have and the oil that works well for your hair. We are going to let this infuse using the double boiler method. This is actually my first time using the double boiler method to make aloe vera oil. I normally use direct low heat, but this time I decided to try this method. Now, whether we are using direct low heat or a double boiler method, the goal is the same. We want the water in the fresh aloe vera to evaporate while the beneficial compounds infuse into the oil. The difference is that direct low heat evaporates the water much faster, while the double boiler method gives you a more gentle and steady heat. So with the double boiler method, the infusion takes more time. It doesn't evaporate as quick as direct low heat, but the heat is more gentler while the aloe vera is infusing into the oil. And because we are using fresh aloe vera and we are not adding preservatives, we don't want water left in our final oil. Water can make homemade products grow mold and spoil quickly. So we want that water to evaporate as much as possible while the aloe vera infuses into the oil. Now all the nutrients has infused into the oil. It's time to strain the oil. And because there might still be some water inside the aloe vera peel, I'm using a sieve instead of a cloth so that the oil will drain out while the wet aloe vera peel stays behind. I'm not squeezing the peel because I don't want to push the water into the oil. And here is our aloe vera oil, ready to do wonders in our hair. Now that our aloe vera spray and aloe vera oil are ready, let me show you how I use them in my hair. I'm starting with my aloe vera spray. I'm spraying it all over my scalp and hair. Aloe vera helps soothe the scalp and can help keep it feel calm and refreshed. It also adds moisture to the hair, helping it feel softer and easier to manage. And because dry hair is more prone to breakage, keeping the hair moisturized is an important part of reducing breakage and retaining length. I'm not soaking my hair completely, I'm just making it damp and well moisturized before I move to the next step. Now, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is the step I don't like to skip. Remember, this aloe vera spray is adding moisture to the hair, but we don't want that moisture to escape quickly. That's why I'm following up with a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner helps keep my hair soft and moisturized for longer. Now I'm going in with my aloe vera oil to seal in all that moisture. First, I'm applying it all over my hair strands, making sure they are well coated. Then I apply a little to my scalp. A little goes a long way. And now I'm gently massaging my scalp with my fingertips. A scalp massage can really feel relaxing, and it also stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which encourages hair growth. And look at my hair now. You can see that my hair looks soft, moisturized, and easier to manage. And this is why I always say, don't focus only on making your hair grow. Pay attention to keeping the hair you already have. Be gentle when handling it and keep it moisturized, because at the end of the day, length retention is about keeping as much of the hair grow as possible. And that is it. 2 simple ways to use aloe vera for healthier and moisturized hair. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps YouTube recommend this video to more people who may really find it helpful too. And if you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or there is something you would like me to try next, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!